Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow or block a website on Chrome. First, you need to open your Google Chrome in your computer and go right here on search box and type right here Web Store extension, and then go right here on Chrome Web Store right here. So click this one, and then here on Chrome Web Store homepage, you just go in search box right here and then type right here block sites. Then click on enter and you will find this extension right here, block site, block website, and stay focused. Then all you need to do is click this extension right here, and once you've done, you'll find this page, and then you have to click this add to Chrome right here so it will add up to your Chrome extension. Then it will show up this page right here, block site, get more from block site, and then click this extension right there and just pin this one and just click this extension, block site extension, and then you will find this. And then all you need to do is click this agree button right here, and then click this settings or the gear icon right here at the top right. And then from here, you can add a blacklist right here. Just click this one and you can add a website that you want to block. For example, I want to add right here facebook.com. Now from here, you just click this done. And if you try to open the Facebook, for example, we want to try to open a new tab and search right here facebook.com. Try to open this one, and then you'll find this saying that this site was blocked. Now to unblock or allow this site, you just go right here and click this trash bin icon, and finally you can now open that website. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like to this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.